seen, there was a Trans-Asia crash at like 222 where more than 40 people died, and now we have this Air Asia flight 501. And so while you're opening up the world of air
So
travel
Heidi
to all
with
these people here,
Denny in the front,
there are some
Robbie,
who will watch
Frosty,
which is about to end
and Doyle.
2014. And
Frosty's running along.
by plane is one of the safest methods of travel. How can you not
She ran as much as the others.
horrific incidents here in Asia, in this part of the world, and take note of that? It's not something that we thought we'd be talking about again here, Natalie.
It's beyond eerie for sure, and we certainly hope that this is a aviation mystery right now that we will have the answers to sooner than later. The search is going on for the airplane because MH370
Frosty.
Air disaster, air mystery ever. And so we certainly don't want a repeat of that. So we appreciate your perspective as being someone who covered that disaster and flies these guys a lot there in Asia. Thank you. I want to bring in
They're having their morning run.
This exact route before
As we're going out, they're having a good run in the garden. Lovely big garden, acre of land. So this is an ideal spot for the dogs. It's rural in Munlochy, Scotland.
This flight path, you've taken it. What's your perspective on where this plane was going?
It's on the Black Isle.
Type of weather that it encountered and that planes often encounter in this region of the world.
Yesterday we went to the bay in Munlochy to see the dolphins, but we didn't get there at the right time. We also travelled around the Isle, Commentary, the bridges, Port Rose, and saw all the different bays. Frosty, who's running and running, is the oldest of the 4 dogs. Frosty is 16, and she's still enjoying having a run and a play. She loves to run after the ball. Denny is 2.5, the long-legged border collie. Doyle is Yankee Doodle Super Poodle, got a blue ball in his mouth, top dog. And Robbie is the yappy little Sheltie that belongs to me.